Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day and welcome to another video by SendWin. So guys, in today's video we're going to be talking about how to effectively manage and track all of your social media accounts right from one single place. This is going to be a really interesting video because I definitely know that you are not someone who just owns one account in each social media account, but you definitely own multiple social media accounts. So therefore you're watching this video to know how to manage and track multiple accounts. Is that correct? Course, right? So for instance, you might be having like 3 Facebook accounts or like 4 Instagram accounts or 2 Twitter accounts, 2 Pinterest accounts. Like you got multiple accounts with each of the social media accounts, right? With all of the social platforms. So the thing is that how do you manage all of this in one single place? Because there could be multiple ways, multiple times when you need to access both the accounts at the same time, but your browser won't allow you to access more than one profile at a single time. In order to access the multiple accounts, you can either switch accounts, but you can't really use multiple accounts in 2 different tabs. But that's a problem that you used to face unless you were unknown to SendWin, right? So now you know about SendWin, and let me tell you that SendWin allows you to log into multiple social media accounts right from your same browser in multiple tabs without having to, you don't have to take the pain of switching browsers or accessing the incognito tabs. All those pain are gone because you can access multiple social media accounts. Each tab would have its own account operating at the same time simultaneously. You don't have to take any extra pain. So in this video I'm gonna give you a short tutorial on how to do this, and how can you basically manage all of your social media accounts without any hassle. So at first, let me tell you that when you visit this website called SendWin, you would see an option to register and to log in. So perhaps since you would be new to this website, so you definitely need to sign up in this website. Okay, so you just go fill in your details. It's a simple registration process that you can just do it in just 1 minute. So you get yourself signed up, then you log in back to this site, and then you have your email address popping up here, and you can basically access the site. And now what you got to do is install the SendWin extension, right? Install the SendWin Chrome extension and it should appear on the top. If it doesn't appear, just make sure that you click on the extension icon and then you pin it. Okay, once you pin it, it should appear at the top. And now let me show you what can you do with SendWin, right? So if I click on this if I click on this icon, SendWin icon, you can basically see all of the social accounts that I've saved here, right? So basically you can click on this save session icon and you can see this is a group that I created. So what is a group? Let me just give you an example. Okay, like for example, this is for instance, this is any website, and let me tell you, it doesn't just work for social accounts, but it can work on any website. Any website, literally it could be on any website that you can use this this tool called SendWin. It's that handy, right? So you just click on this icon, and then next you have the 2 options of it's save session and an unsaved session, right? So what does this mean? We have talked a lot about this in this video, so you can definitely check out this video to know how to create sessions with SendWin. And for the time being, you can just create a save session and you just enter the name of the session, what do you want to call it, and you can basically add it to a group. For example, I already have a group called Social Creators, so as soon as I press S, I get this option to add social. So that's how I do it. Okay, I can just click and I can give it any name, and if I just click on this add, you see it just creates a new tab, and the color of the icon also changes. So this is how it gets handy. And perhaps now if I click on this and I take you to the sessions page, you can see on the social here is everything arranged. And let me tell you, it's my Twitter 1, Twitter is my Facebook 2nd profile, Instagram 1st profile, 2nd profile, Facebook 1st profile, LinkedIn 1 profile, and perhaps this is something that we added just now. Now if you don't require this, we can just click and delete from here, right? So it's gone. And now what we can do is let me just show you, give you an example of what I was saying, that you can access both of your accounts from one single browser. So here's my first Instagram profile. So here's my first Instagram profile that you see on your screen, and it is one. Okay, you can check out the account. It's called True and Thrift. And now next I'll be accessing another Instagram account. Okay, so let's go back to sessions, and then we'll go to social, and then we have IT2. Okay, that's the name with which I've saved. You can also follow the same trend, and you can see it's my 2nd account, and the account is the browser name. So you get to know that these are 2 different accounts, and I can access them in the same browser in 2 different tabs. So this is really cool, and I definitely want you guys to go ahead, install SendWin. It's that easy, and you can basically keep a track, you can organize all of your social media accounts right in one single place, and you can access them without having to take the pain of you switching browsers and all. So I do hope so that this video was really helpful and it really helped to understand how do you track and manage your multiple social media accounts without having to wander anywhere else. So guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. If you did like the video, then do make sure to drop a like and do comment down if you got any queries, and we'll make sure to get in touch back with you, right? And I'll see you in some other video. Till then, take care and bye bye.